हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रिय छात्र छात्री माने आदर्श कोचिंग सेंटर यूट्यूब चैनल को तुमको स्वागत। छात्र छात्री माने आज आम अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन फॉर योर स्टैंडर्ड 7 क्लास 7 रो अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन चैप्टर नंबर 10 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 एक्सरसाइज 10.1 रो एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन 4 टू 7 ये पार्ट 2 तुम अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन पार्ट 2 पार्ट 1 में अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन व्हाट इज अलजेब्रा अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन किसी जमती कि मोनोमियल बाइनोमियल ट्राइनोमियल और अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन बेसिक फंडामेंटल थिंग्स सब डिस्कसन करी आउ तुम एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 3 ऑलरेडी मुझे कर सारी तुम सहित वीडियो शेयर हो जो मैंने आमर ये अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन स्टैंडर्ड 7 क्लास 7 रो चैप्टर 10 आमर पार्ट 1 वीडियो को देखिन से माने समस्त देखिनियो तापर पार्ट 2 जो थे कि आमे क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पर्यंत डिस्कशन करबा। देन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कौन देछि आइडेंटिफाई टर्म्स व्हिच कंटेन x एंड गिव द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x ताले x वाला टर्म को आइडेंटिफाई करिवो आ तार कोएफिशिएंट देखिवो। ताले फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आई y स्क्वायर x प्लस y ताले क्वेश्चन कौन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर क्वेश्चन आइडेंटिफाई द टर्म विथ कंटेन x कंटेन करथि कंटेन x ताले x थिबा टर्म होची एठी y स्क्वायर x देन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x आइडेंटिफाई द टर्म कंटेन x एंड राइट द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x ताले कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज your y square x सहित कि मल्टीप्लाई करछि ताले कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज y square देन विथ नंबर 2 13y square minus 8yx here x वाला टर्म contain x is your minus 8yx contain x here 13y square it is a term also but it does not contain x as its variable हिसाब से y स्क्वायर अच्छे y अच्छे x ना ताले माइनस 8yx ताले कोएफिशिएंट देखी हियर कोएफिशिएंट इज माइनस 8y कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x रो कोएफिशिएंट माइनस 8y सिमिलरली विथ नंबर 3 आई x plus y plus 2 x plus y plus 2 there are three terms x plus y plus 2 but the term contain x as a variable हिसाब से x contain term टी गोटी मात्र x ताले x आउ किछि भी एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स x सहित जोड़ी है तो कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x ओनली कोएफिशिएंट equal to 1 because 1 is multiply with x with 1 multiply. Similarly another question number IV number 4 चलते हैं number 4 IV 5 plus z plus zx here there are the three terms 5 z and zx but the term contain variable x variable contain करथवा टर्म होची zx and coefficient equal to z coefficient z. Similarly another question 1 plus xy there are three terms x contain करथवा टर्म only x and xy here coefficient is 1 and here coefficient equal to 1. In this way you will able to do the question number 4. Question number 4 is pretty easy, not hard for you. Now question number 4 the B question number 4 B करिबा identify the terms which contain y square, contain y square, contain y square, y square contain करथिबो and give the coefficient of y square, coefficient of y square. ताले here question bit number I, 8 minus xy square. There are two terms. ये question है dita term, there are two terms, 8 and minus x square y, but coefficient of y square is minus x y square, minus x multiplied with y square सहित minus x multiplied with तार coefficient of y square is minus x. It is a constant term. Similarly, bit number 2, 5y square plus 7x. There are two terms, but y contain करथिबा, y square contain करथिबा term is your 5y square and coefficient is your 5. Coefficient is your 5. Similarly, another question. Third, 2x square y minus 15x y square plus 7y square. There are three terms, but here only y is there. Only y is not y square. But question में कौन कही? Identify the term contain y square. Y square को contain करती हो, ताले here it is y square. 15x y square and 7y square. ताले minus 15x y square. Coefficient is minus 15x. Here coefficient is only 7. Tale, in this way, your question number 4 is finished. Another question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Classify into monomials, binomials, trinomials. Mono means 1, binomials, bi means 2, trinomials means 3. Tale, a polynomial having single term is called monomial, having two terms is called binomial, having three terms is called trinomial. Tale, question number 5 is a mathematical expression, algebraic expression. You can classify this monomial, binomial. First, question number I, 5I, 4y minus 7z. There are two terms, means it is binomial. Similarly, bit number 2, y square, only single term is monomial. Similarly, question number 3i, x plus y minus xy. There are three terms, trinomial. In this way, you will be able to do the question number 5. Now, question number 6. It is finished here. Question number 5. It is pretty easy for you. Not difficult. Question number 6. Question number 6 here. State whether a given pair of a term is like or unlike. Tale, like terms, unlike term. What is the like terms? Like terms means algebraic expression having same variable and same power. Variable same thibo, power same thibo. Suppose it is 5x. ताले ता सहित like term गोटे आसो 7x. But 5x square सहित 3y किंबा 3x are not like terms. Similarly, 3ab ता सहित 4a or 7b are not like terms. ये like term no, because here 3ab ताले only 4ab 7ba are like terms. In this way, you will be able to find the like and unlike terms. Like terms and unlike terms. Question number 6. 1 and 100. Only single terms, no coefficient, no variables. Variables nahi. These are constants and like terms. Similarly, minus 7x and 5 by 2x. these two terms contain x as variable हिसाब में only x अच्छी 7x रे भी x अच्छी 5/2 रे भी x अच्छी these are also like terms. Similarly, but bit number 3 minus 29x minus 29y 29 coefficient remain unchanged 29 minus 29 minus 29 but here variable is x here variable is y these are unlike terms. Similarly, IV 14xy and 42yx xy and yx no difference. There are 14xy contain x and y are variable. Similarly, 42yx it is also contain x and y. That means these two terms are like terms. Similarly, another question V 4m square p and 4mp square V 4m square p and 4mp square. Look at this two terms. Here 4 and 4 coefficient remain unchanged, remain same. Here m square and here m. ताले m and p two variables remain same अच्छी variable, but power of the variable are not equal. M power 2 here m 1 power 1 here p and here p square. That means these two terms are unlike terms. In this way you will be able to do your question number 6 like and unlike terms of separation. Is not a difficult work for you. It's not difficult for you. Question number 7. Identify like terms in the following. Like terms to identify करियो. ताले like terms. किए सब like term कहाँ से सब अच्छी बोले कुछ minus x y square. Find out x y square वाला alternative उठी अच्छी x y square here 2x y square are like terms. Similarly, minus 4yx square वाला term yx square 20x square y yx square and x square y are similar things, are like terms. Another 8x square वाला term identify. Choose करो आओ x square वाला term is minus 11x square are like terms. Similarly, 2xy square classify कर सकते हो. 7y like term 7y और y वाला term find out yourself. Y only y no. That you know another term like term with 7y से तो y वाला term here it होना है. Similarly, minus 100x it has only a single variable x वाला term. ताले identify another 3x is like term with minus 100x. In this way you will 3x x square minus 6x square. Similarly, minus 6x square और x square वाला term में find out yourself x square no minus 11x square. Here it is 8x square minus 11x square and another term 6x square you should write minus 6x square. These three terms are like terms. In this way you will be able to do the exercise. 10.1 is your finished. 10.1 exercise khatam ho gala. Now we are going to find the value of an expression. एक्सप्रेशन वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करवा अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करवा इट इज नॉट ए हार्ड टास्क फॉर यू एक्सरसाइज 10.1 खत्म हाँ एग्जाम्पल 4 here is the question find the value of x plus 4 for x equal to 2 आमे वैल्यू आड करिबा x plus 4 रो by substituting the value of x equal to 2 x रो वैल्यू 2 substitute करो आउ फाइंड आउट करो वैल्यू ऑफ x plus 4 x plus 4 put x equal to 2 x रो जदि हमें 2 पुट करिबा 2 plus 4 6 will be your answer. Similarly, another question 4x minus 3. 4x minus 3. X equal to 2. X value 2. X is your variable. 3 is your constant. 4x means 4 into 2 minus 3. 4 into 8 minus 3. 5 will be the answer. Similarly, another question 19 minus 5x square. Put x equal to 2. x रो वैल्यू गिवन x is 2 वेरिएबल x ताले 19 minus 5x square 5x square means 5 into x 19 minus 5 into 2 रो square 2 into 2 रो square 19 minus 5 into 2 रो square 4 19 minus 5 into 4 20 19 minus 20 answer will be minus 1. Answer is your minus 1. In this way, you will be able to do your example 4. Now example 5. Example 5. Example 5. Find the value of the following expression when n equal to minus 2. Similarly, find the value. Find the value n equal to minus 1. The expression is 5n minus 2. 5n means 5 into n. So put the value of n. 5 into n is your minus 2. And minus 2. 5n minus 2. Here n equal to minus 2. n equal to minus 2. 5 into minus 2. Minus 10 minus 2. Minus 12 will be answer. Similarly another question. 5n square. 5n square plus 5n minus 2. 5 into n square, n equal to minus 2 रो square plus 5 into minus 2, minus 2. 5n square, put the value n equal to minus 2. 5 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 square is your 4, 5 into 4. 5 into minus 2 is your minus 10, your minus 2. 5 into 4, 20, minus 10, minus 2, minus 12. 20 minus 12, 8 will be your answer. In this way, you will be able to do your exercise. Example 5. Now, example 6. Example 6. Example 6. Example 6. Find the value of the following expression. A equal to 3, B equal to 2. Find the value of question number A plus B. A plus B. Here given A equal to 3, B equal to 2. A plus B means 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Question number 2. 7A minus 4B. 7A minus 4b. 7 into a, put the value of a 3, minus 4, put the value of b 2. 7 3 ja 21 minus 4 2 ja 8. 21 minus 8. 13 will be the answer. Similarly, with number 3. A square plus 2ab plus b square. एटा हमें ऊपर करना. Another question. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here put the value a equal to 3. A value 3 put करो. 3 square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into 3 into 2 plus b square 2 square 3 square 9 plus 2 3 is 6 2 12 plus 2 square 4 12 plus 4 16 plus 5 25 is your answer. Question number I. AQ minus BQ. AQ minus BQ. A ro Q means put the value of A 3 3 ro Q minus 2 ro Q 3 ro Q is 9 3 27 3 3 3 27 minus 2 ro Q 8 27 minus 6 19 will be answer. In this way you will be able to do the example 6. Now exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. If m equal to 2, question number 1. If m equal to 2, find the value. Find the value. ମୁଁ ଅଲରେଡ଼ି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ବୁଝେଇ ସାରିଲିଣି ଏକ୍ସରସାଇଜ୍ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଇଜି ହେବ m minus 2 question number m minus 2 put the value of m2 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Similarly question number 2i 3m minus 5 put the value of m equal to 2 3 into 2 minus 5 3 2 is 6 minus 5 1. Similarly question number 3 9 minus 5n put the value of m 9 minus 5 into 2 5 into 2 10 9 minus 10 answer will be minus 1. In this way you will able to do the question number 1. Question number 1 is not a hard question for you. Exercise 10.2 question number 1 finished. Similarly question number 2. Question number 2 p equal to minus 2 p equal to minus 2 find the value of find the value 4p question number I 4p plus 7 put the value of p minus 2 4 into p minus 2 put the value of p minus 2 plus 7 4 minus multiplied by minus 2 minus 80 plus 7 answer will be minus 1. Similarly 2y minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7 minus 3 put the value of a p minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7 put the value of a p here minus 2 square minus 3 into minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 7 that equal to 3 4 12 plus 7 minus 8 here 12 plus 7 19 minus 8 11 will be answer is your 11. In this way you will able to do the question 2. Question number 3. Question number 3. Find the value of following expression x equal to minus 1. Find the value 2x minus 7. 2 into put the value of x minus 1 minus 7. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 7 minus 9 will be answer. Similarly third I x square plus 2x plus 1 put the value of x minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. Your answer will be minus 1 square equal to 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Answer will be 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 0. In this way you will be able to do all your question 3, 4 and 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Simplify the expression. Find the value of x. Find the value if x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Simplify the expression and find the value if x equal to 2. What is given? Given x plus 7 plus 4. X equal to x plus 7 plus 4. Your question is given x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. So question simplify and find the value. If x is equal to 2, here x equal to 2. Here x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. That equal to 4 into x. 4x minus 4 into 5. 20. Put the value x equal to 2. Here x 2 plus 7 plus 4x means 4 into 2 minus 20. 2 plus 7 9 plus 4 into 2 8 minus 20. 9 plus 8 17 minus 20 minus 3 will be answer. Similarly, other way, x plus 4x equal to 5x, 7 minus 20 equal to simplify कर सारा पर minus 13. other way रे मु कर दउची आउ ठीक minus 3 बाहरला मन रखता आंसर minus 3 other way simplify कर छारी के हमें वैल्यू बात करबा x plus 4x इक्वल टर्म को हमें पाखा पाख लिखिबा minus 20 x plus 4x 5x 7 minus 20 minus 13 5 into 2 minus 13 5 into 2 10 minus 13 answer will be minus 3 equal. In this way, another question 2y 6 number 2y 6 number 2y 3 into x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7 3 into 2x 3x plus 3 to the 6 plus 5 5x here 5x 5x minus 7 equal term equalize the equal term को पाखा पाखी लिखो 3x sorry same not equal term similar 3x 5x plus 6 minus 7 3x 5x 8x 6 minus 7 minus 1 put the value question number 6 by value x equal to 2 x equal to 2 8 into put the value of x 8 into 2 minus 1 8 to the 16 minus 1 15 will be answer. In this way you will be able to do your question number 6. Similarly question number 7 simplify this expression and find the value if x equal to 3 a equal to minus 1 b equal to minus 2. आउ किसी क्वेश्चन अच्छी जमती कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 9 10 पर्यंत ये अच्छी ताहले आज ये पार्ट 2 जोटा तुम वीडियो या पूर्व तुम पार्ट 1 तुम सहित शेयर कर सारी अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन ये पार्ट 2 रे आमे क्वेश्चन नंबर एक्सरसाइज 10.2 रो क्वेश्चन 1 रो 6 पर्यंत तुम कंप्लीट करो 7 8 9 10 आउ किछि मनरु मोर अदर एग्जांपल्स ये सब देखी मु तुम पार्ट 3 रो आउ गोटे वीडियो तैयार करी ताले dear students try to remember all these numbers about your exercise 10.2 clearly तुमको बुझे दिया गला ट्राए करो निजे करिया पाई जदि किसी डिफिकल्ट होची कमेंट बॉक्स रे लिखि मते जणाओ आउ थरे कहि रखछि जो माने हम आदर्श कोचिंग यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दियो बहुत परिमाण रे ये सब मैथमेटिकल जो एक्सरसाइज मु करूची ताकू देखो व्यू बढ़ू आउ अधिक अधिक वीडियो मु तुम सहित शेयर करी ताले आज 10.2 एक्सरसाइज रो 6 नंबर पर्यंत तुमको बुझे दिया गला तुम माने निश्चय ये सब घरे करिवो किछि प्रॉब्लम हेले मते तुम कमेंट बॉक्स रे लिखि जणाई पारिवो नेक्स्ट खूब शीघ्र मु तुम पार्ट 3 अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन रो पार्ट 3 वीडियो शेयर करबी सेतिर मु आउ किछि एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन तुम करबी ताले आज एतिकी क्लास जय जगन्नाथ।